Right, alright, Martini girl. This is just a short video. Just gonna show you now quickly what basically what I was speaking about when you didn't have the volume up, right? Just a couple of very simple things you can do, Martini girl. Okay. Same for you, Hammy. You know, if you want to watch this, right? The Jasmine. Straight off, I'm going to show you the Jasmine, right? And these are on the live chart straight after the room. Okay. Now the Jasmine. All right. So you had your setup here. You see it here. Flipped up 15-minute BB band, 4 hour. Okay, so you know it's going up, right? So there was your first entry, right? So basically, what you do is you're looking for a pullback before you enter your second trade. So you had a bit of a pullback here. You see it, a little bit of a pullback there. Right. So then, when that's happened, starts going, take your second entry. Right. So then you're waiting again. Once this goes up, you're looking for your next entry. Look for the pullback. There's the pullback. There's your third. Oh, take that. Okay, then it's gone all the way up here again. Then it comes back to the orange line here. Can you see it? Take it again. Okay, so it's different to the Darwin. It's the Jasmine, which you know how to do. You've even admitted that you know how to do this, right? And then you got that. I think there was a 5-minute yellow here. Close all your trades. Martini girl, close all your trades. Okay, so that's one method. Very, very simple. You can see it here, empty explained on here. First move was there, then you had this pullback here. Yeah, okay. Take your second entry. Look for the pullback. You had one here. You can see it here going up there. Take the third entry. Right, another pullback there. This is one empty exit, whereas I'm like, I wouldn't have taken this because it's very near to that price there. But okay, you either took that or you didn't, right? But then you had another pullback there, Martini girl. It's got to come in. Let it come in. It's got to be on the orange line or in. It's no good taking it like, if you look at the GU there like that, no, because that could just come back down and crash. All right, take it again. Understand? Again, where we were here, 1 hour orange line. Close all your trades. Okay, so it's basically the Darwin, but you're waiting out the pullback, Martini girl. You know this. You said you can do this yourself. You've been doing this, all right? So do that for a couple of days, or right, do what I was explaining to Hampton. When you haven't got an idea what's going to happen, just keep going the same direction. Okay, so I'll show you now. All right, Martini girl. Let's have a look at a good pair to do it on. Bum 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 bum. It probably is the GU again, right? So this one here has gone up, but you're still thinking it's coming down. You see, you would have taken this one down here, right? And you're still thinking it's coming down here, right? So take it down. Oh, you lost on this trade there. All right, you lost 6 pips. Yeah. Okay. So what you do now, Martini, is you turn direction. Wait out that one there. Take that. 10 pip win. All right. Comes back to the orange line there. Take it. 10 pip win. Take this one here. Yeah. 10 pip win. Okay. Comes back into the orange line here. Take it again here. Another win. Okay. Comes back into the orange line here. Now take it up. Now, if this loses, if this comes down and you lose your 6 pips, because you took it up here, say, and this comes down and you lose your 6 pips, right? Fine, okay. You then turn around, Martina. Look, you see how it would have probably would have lost now. So what you do now is you wait for it to come back to the orange line from below and take it down, right? So basically, Martina, what you're doing is you're just going with whatever the market throws at you. Okay, so yes, you would have lost this down trade here, but then you won 1, 2, flipping it around. Oh, 3 there, right? 4 there, flipping it around, right? Before you eventually lost, trying to take it up here. Okay, so let this come down, let it go back to the orange line now, and then take it down. Right, do the same again, let it keep doing that. When it comes back into the orange line from below, take it down. And do that again until you lose the 6 pips. You understand? When you make it, so you're just going with whatever the market throws at you. Alright, so let's see if I can get can I get this over there without showing too much information? I don't think I can. Alright. No, I can't. I can't, and I can't. Yeah, I can show you on the you can actually. Okay, right. You were taking it up because it was going up all the way here. You see it, all this up here. So you were going up. Okay, you took that one. Hang on a minute. You took that one there. 1. Okay, Martini girl. Then it comes down here. You think it's going up again. You take that. It lost. Understand? It lost. Okay, so right now you change direction. You just say, well, okay, that one lost for 6 pips. I'm going down. So it come back to the orange line there. You can see it. There's a wick. Take it down. Okay, comes back to the orange line here. Take it down. Another winner. Right, comes back in here. Take it down. Another winner. Right, and you just keep going, Martini girl. Right, until you lose, taking it down. Once you lose 1, like you lost there. Right, you flip direction again and then start going up. Okay, so effectively, Martini, you're not trying to work out direction or what's going on. You're just going with whatever the market throws at you. Okay? Alright, and that's basically it, Martini girl. Look, I mean, if you just kept going with the GU until you lose, if that hadn't lost, then bang, you probably won again there. Okay, Martini girl. And if you do this, Martini girl, I'll promise you one thing, doing this or the Jasmine type of strategies, you'll be doing the same thing every day, Martini girl, so your head won't be in bits. You understand? You don't. All you need is your initial direction, right? So this one started going up here from the 4-hour orange line, right? Okay, first trade, second trade, third trade, fourth entry, Jasmine, 5-minute yellow appears, close all your trades, and you had whatever you won there. Okay? Okay, sweetheart, you know, it's just a way of doing the diving without actually having the little losses. Okay, yes, you might not get as many pips on some days because you might not get 4 entries, you might only have 2 entries. This might just shoot up here, you know, and then come back like that and then give you another one there, so you'd only have 2 entries, so you might not get the 60 pips that Darwin gets guaranteed. Okay, but you won't have any losses. Alright, or as I say, just keep going until you lose a trade in one direction, then you flip it and start going in the opposite direction, and you can see quite clearly, darling, if you'd done that, you probably would have still won 1, 2, 3, 4 trades after that one loss there. Okay, and that is it, Martini girl. You know, Hampton, you too, mate, just do this. I feel your frustration, honestly, guys, but I think it's because there's so many strategies, you know, and we're flip-flopping from one or the other. I mean, I've been pushing the diving on people because I think certain people, it suits them, right? Obviously, there are people in the room that don't like to lose, MT being one of them. Maybe yourself, Martini girl, you know, Hampton, who's become accustomed to losing, to be honest with you, and it's probably eating away at him, honestly. You know, and that is 2 very simple things to do. You don't even have to know direction. You know, you just, all you're looking at is, right, I'm on the 5-minute orange line here, I'm taking it up. Bang, 5-minute orange line, I'm taking it up. 5-minute orange line, I'm taking it up. 5-minute in between the road there, basically orange line, I'm taking it up. In between the road again, taking it up. In between the road again, taking it up. And when it does eventually lose, you just flip it and start saying, right, okay then, I'll start taking it down off the 5-minute orange line. Okay, just do that. Alright, my teeny girl, I'm not making this a big video because I don't think it needs it. It's just two very simple, small ways that you can just say, well, I don't need to worry about direction now, or little losses on doing the Darwins. Okay, so anyway, that's it. I'll get it off to empty now, this video, and you can watch it tomorrow. Okay. Oh, you really should do that, Paul. Oh dear. Where are we? That was basically, Martini Girl, all that was mentioned in the room. The two kind of ways you can alleviate losses. Alright.